This is our hose clamp factory, located in Tianjin, China. Our hose clamp plant produces worm drive hose clamp, Heave duty worm drive hose clamp, single, double bolt hose clamp, T-bolt hose clamp, double wire clamp, band clamp, mini hose clamp, quick release hose clamp, pipe clamp, ear hose clamp, rubber hose clamp, etc. Our team is full of vigor and professional knowledge. The company has established a standard system for management. Quality first, people-oriented is our main principle. We have one good reputation in global market in the past decades, such as Europe, America, Russia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa and other areas.